What is the difference between a house and a home? What is a house? It's brick and stone and wood that's hard, some window glass, and perhaps a yard. It's eaves and chimneys and tile floors and stucco and roof and lots of doors. What is a home? It's loving and family and doing for others. It's brothers and sisters and fathers and mothers. It's unselfish acts and kindly sharing and showing your loved ones you are always caring. Do you agree with what the poet says? 1. A house is made of. Think what items are used to construct a house. Write in answer. सोचिए घर बनाने के लिए किन वस्तुओं का उपयोग किया जाता है? उत्तर में लिखें। चेक योर आंसर इज राइट और नॉट। आपका उत्तर सही है या नहीं इसकी जांच करें। आंसर कैन वेरी, सी बिलो। A house is made of brick, stone, cement, hardwood, window glass, and a yard. Answers can vary. See below. Answer: a house is made of bricks, stone, wood, window, chimney, tile floors, stucco, roof, and a lot of doors. Do you agree with what the poet says? Question second. It has. Think about the structure of the house and write the answer. घर की संरचना के बारे में सोचो और उत्तर लिखो। Check your answer is right or not. आपका उत्तर सही है या नहीं इसकी जांच करें। Answer can vary. See below. Answer: it has eaves, chimneys, tile floors, stucco, roof, and lots of doors. Answers can vary. See below. Answer: it has only the inanimate objects. There is only the materials which we require to make a house. Do you agree with what the poet says? Question 3. A home is made by. Answer: a home is made by the family members. Answer: a home is made by the family members like father, mother, brothers, and sisters. Do you agree with what the poet says? Question 4. It has. Answer: it has unselfish acts, sharing and caring for the loved ones. Answer can vary. See below. You can think like this type answers also. आप इस प्रकार के उत्तर भी सोच सकते हैं. Answer: it has love, care, sharing, and unselfish acts. Now complete these sentences about your house and home. 1. My house is dash dash. Answers can vary. See below. My house is very big. My house has bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchen, prayer room, and dining room. I love my house so much. Answers can vary. See below. My house is the best house. My house has a lot of rooms, decorated windows, beautiful tiled floor, an attic, a big yard, and a beautiful roof. Question second. The best thing about my home is dash dash. What does the home provides us? घर हमें क्या प्रदान करता है? You can talk about its facilities and availability. आप इसकी सुविधाओं और उपलब्धता के बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. You can describe about the relationships and feelings of its members who live inside. आप इसके सदस्यों के संबंधों और भावनाओं के बारे में वर्णन कर सकते हैं जो इसमें रहते हैं. Answers can vary. See below. The best thing about my home is that anything my need is always there. Every time I get hungry, there is always something to eat. Anytime I wanna take a hot shower or watch some TV, it's there. Another good things that I like is my video games and that I can play all day and night. Question 2 of 2. The best thing about my home is homes offer security and feel affection for human life, and it is one of the most important things. Answers can vary. See below. The best thing about my home is most loving place. My father, mother, brothers and sisters love and care for each other a lot. We feel for each other's emotion and live happily. Children, some other questions that you may have to face in future. कुछ अन्य प्रश्न भविष्य में जिनका आपको सामना करना पड़ सकता है. Question 1. What is house made of? Answer: a house is made of brick, stone and wood windows. Question 2. What type of floors does a house have? Answer: a house has tile floors. Question 3. What is a home? Answer: A home is where loving member of a family live together. Question 4. Who make home? Answer. Brothers, sisters, mother and father make home. Question 5. What type of acts are done in a house? Answer. Care, love, kindly, sharing, and unselfish acts are done in the house. Question 6. What is the difference between a house and a home? Answer. A house is a structure of brick and stone. A home is made of loving and caring members of a family. Lengthy process. So, your son is still going to college? A man remarked to another. What is he going to be when he finally graduate? Replied the second. Old. Old. Educate everyone. सभी को शिक्षित करें. बच्चों की शिक्षा के उज्जवल भविष्य के लिए समर्पित. सीखो और सिखाओ. These books improve your knowledge, reading, pronunciation, and translation skills.